Greetings guys, and welcome to another video. Today we've got another round of nice to know facts for you. Let's jump right in. What was that? A new intro. Absolutely. It's nice to know we've tweaked our design a bit, improved logo, stronger colors, and a fresh intro. Tell us what you think in the comments. Have you ever wanted to animate a fan in the Blockbuster mod? Or any object that should spin continuously? Then here comes tip number 1. For this we use the sequencer morph. In it, pick your spinning object twice. We're using this fan. Edit the second morph and rotate the object once around its axis 360. Make sure Animates is enabled. Back in the sequencer, set the duration for a single rotation in the bottom right and enable Set Duration so you don't have to enter it twice. Finally, set the duration of the first morph to 0, and that's it. The object will keep spinning. The fewer ticks you set, the faster it will spin. Tip number 2. Accidentally deleted a camera move from your timeline before? Annoying, but don't panic. You don't have to recreate it. Aperture has a undo redo feature. Press Ctrl-Z and your camera returns. Warning. This only works for Aperture camera actions. If you delete something in the editing timeline, you cannot restore it with that shortcut. Tip number 3. Staying in the editor. It doesn't have an undo/redo feature, but the usual shortcuts like Ctrl-C, X, and V work for copying, cutting, and pasting actions. You can also select multiple actions and manipulate them together. Multi-selection. Cool. Tip number 4. Do you know how many bones a human has? If you guessed 20, you're right. An emoticon morph has 20. Well, 19 bones that can be clicked on with Control, and 6 of them are just kind of there. You can use this to your advantage by attaching an object onto these bones. Now you can animate your character freely, while that object stays fixed in place. Tip number 5. Moving an object from one hand to the other and making it look smooth is hard, but there's a shortcut that makes it much easier. Hold Ctrl-Alt while clicking on another bone, and it will automatically transfer from the previous bone to the new selected without changing its position. Bonus tip. Are your screenshots not high resolution enough? If so, you can adjust the screenshot size using Optifine in the Video settings. Go to Options, Video Settings, Other, and set the size up to 4 times. And that's it. We're done. We hope we showed you something useful you didn't know yet. If we did, feel free to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Have fun tinkering around, and see you next time.